Hello friends, the topic at hand is the power of a lens. But wait, why is it called lens? The word originates from the Latin name of lentil, lens culinaris, because a double convex lens appears to have the shape of a lentil. During an eye test of someone, you might have heard the doctor giving a certain number to them, like they have +1 power in their left eye or -2 or something else. All this number indicates the power of the lens. The degree of convergence or divergence of light rays is expressed in terms of power. Here is the formula. P is equal to 1 upon F. Now before going ahead with power, let's see the focal length. It is important because the ability of a lens to converge or diverge light rays depends on the focal length only. So if we take a convex lens having a short focal length, then the rays of light after refraction bend through large angles by focusing them closer to the optic center. Remember, a convex lens is also known as converging lens. If the focal length is lesser, then the converging power will be more, or we can say that the convex lens is converging light more rapidly. Now let's talk about the concave lens. Remember, it is also called a diverging lens. So in this case, if the focal length is lesser, then the diverging power will be greater, or the concave lens will diverge the light more rapidly. Talking about the SI unit of power of the lens, it is diopter, denoted by the letter capital D, when the focal length is expressed in meters. Hence, we can say that 1 diopter will be the power of the lens with a focal length of 1 meter. Also, remember that the power of convex lens is positive while the power of concave lens is negative. So, if I say that the power is plus 2.5 D, then the lens prescribed is? Yes, it's a convex lens due to the positive sign, right? And if the power is plus 2.5 diopter, then can you calculate the focal length? Yes, I'm sure you can do it by using the formula here. P is equal to 1 upon F. So, F will be equal to 1 upon 2.5, which gives us a value of plus 0.4 meters. Quick question. Mention the lens type if the power is -2D. It's a concave lens due to the negative sign, right? Comment your answer for the focal length of this lens, and there you are prepared for the questions coming from the topic in your examinations. Let's not miss the small and simple topic of the combination of lenses. If we keep two lenses with focal length F1 and F2 in contact, then the combination will have an effective focal length given by the formula 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon F1 plus 1 upon F2. This applies to the power as well. Since if we have two lenses P1 and P2, then the effective power of their combination will be P1 plus P2. So basically, the power of the combined lens is equal to the sum of their individual powers. Here we have a PYQ from this chapter asked in the year 2023. There we are, all wrapped up for this session. Happy learning!